Not a lot of intro to this one, guys. Just an abandoned hotel at night. The sucker has power. And we're gonna look around, see what we can find. Lobby, fun center. Boom, that's right. The alarm clock's in there blinking. Look at that. Still made up. Crazy. The remote is on the bed. Oh, wow. There's a pool area. Alright, I'm gonna have to get the big light out. We're not gonna get anything. We want to come back to this set near the end. Yeah, those are still made up. Flat screen still on the wall. Now I'm gonna get the flat panel. There's one of the rooms. This one's pretty stripped out, unlike the other we saw. Huh? Grab. Crazy. I know you guys really can't see it. Right now, I'm in the huge fun center area. They got a pool, whirlpool. That's one of the entryways. There's a skylight up there. But see this glow you're seeing on the screen right now is open windows to the outside in a busy area. So we're going to come back to this right near the end and then use the big light and show you this. Using a super bright light at night, and we'll have to use it super bright to see much of it. At the beginning of an explorer is a bad idea. We got this really cool rock staircases. Ooh, here's the bar. Give a little shot. I don't know if I'll put this on camera, guys. Yeah. This bar overlooked the outdoor area. All right, guys, I'm gonna stand back. I'm gonna hit the light really bright one time. There's the bar area. Sorry I'm gonna be goofy like this, but the only time we could do this place was at night. Here's the restaurant. Well, here's the left of the restaurant. Whew. Another camera.
They're tearing this thing apart. I'm not overly concerned.
Here we go, everybody. Oh boy. So here's the restaurant. We're running at least one active infrared camera that we're not sure is working or not. Or at least recording. There's the buffet right there. Oh shit. The alarm's going off. You can hear the alarm. You can't hear that?
Hear what?
Beep, beep, beep. It's beeping like a son of a bitch. You really don't hear that. It's clear as a bell to me. It's beeping like a bad dog. It's in here. Right here.
Sure, so alarm clock. I'll stand out there. They can fucking see you.
The blinds are down. Oh man. Holy.
So this is what I was hearing.
Huh?
This is what I was hearing.
Yep. Oh wow. The whole floor's dipped. Holy crap. Nope. Down in there. That's filling up. Yeah, it's supposed to be full. That's not a good sign. That's mold. Mold growing on everything. Old TV. Fridge. Moldy ass chair.
There's one of the first things to go.
Yeah. Oh crap. Look, I can use light there. Holy crap, everybody. Look at this. That is damage. Holy crap, got the whole superstructure over the roof. Everything's coming down. Wow, this place is in bad shape.
You know what they're doing to it? They're stripping it.
Really?
They're scrap out of it.
Wow.
They're probably going to tear it down.
No, that one's open, isn't it? Damn it. Yeah. There was mold growing on everything. Sorry, everybody, but yeah, this is a very sketchy explorer. But like Sean says, it's like they're getting ready to tear this place down. Ooh, mold. Oh, hell. Holy. Still dry. Ah, mold. There it is. This is the big conference room. Ooh. Mold all over the ceiling.
Look.
Yep, I see it.
TV's out.
There's the dance floor, everybody. Full of water. Yeah, that's why I had to, yeah, all the conventions down here. Wow, the mold is horrible. This place has got to be shot. Yeah, this place is about done. Too much mold. I wish I could save this anymore. Maintenance. Holy crap. Jeez. There's a lot of stuff down here. Wow. Oh, yeah, there you go. Look by your feet. That's out of place. 8 tracks. What the f? Heck are 8 tracks doing here? Ew. It's growing on everything. Sean. Oh, fine. Ew. Stage parts and everything. balls. Holy hell.
So this place is just, it's huge.
It is big. Where light switches. Huh? Yep. Movie screen. Big old stage. Big conference area. Place is huge. Here it is, everybody. We do one sweep. There's the kiddie pool. That's a huge whirlpool over there. There's the pool. There's the deep end of the pool. Oh, there's a small whirlpool. I'm gonna turn this down. Honestly, depending on this place being so big that even if somebody does come in, we can go out another way. We hope. Pool area. Take a chance of light since we're near the end of this. This is mostly what we're here for, guys. This is spa. Whoa, that's deep. 10 feet. That's a 10-foot drop. Into very, very little water. Once again, guys, sorry, but night explorers, man. Try to get some good shots here for you yet. Enter the huge hot tub. Under 14. Spa. That's a huge spa, guys. Whoa. Multiple layer. Holy crap. That's crazy. Look at that thing. Somebody definitely busted that out. Ping pong table still left. Growing mold. Big notch. Heavy 10. The glow in the middle of your screen right now is the hallway going up to the restaurant and the front desk. I don't know if this will show up or not, guys. It will on pictures. If it doesn't show up on my video, I'll take some pictures and put them on video. So you can see this really cool little garden area. Big long hallway. Off in the distance. Let's go look at the lobby. I want to get that on video because it's lit. I wonder if this is going to come out of cam. That beeping. This place is huge. Good grief, another long hallway. Here's the desk. See all the damage. Stuff coming out of the ceiling. All over there.
How's that for a vacuum cleaner?
Yeah, that's a vacuum cleaner. Holy. What's that? Yes, I heard that. Sound like the boards. Sound like one of the boards. Do we really want to go down where the light is? Where do you want to go? Come on. Right here's a good place. Just stay right in here, you can see out. If anybody comes, we can see that. There's stuff we are going to go up second floor and look out the windows first. Because if you're right and they're waiting right there, we got to look first. Here, look out. Yep, TV. Still in. Yep, somebody's in here.
Yeah, power.
We know they got power. I ain't turned the lights on now. Holy crap. Oh, it's over here. It's a suite. Holy crap. It's lit. Coffee maker's still there. I am going to find the lights for this and turn this on. This is really cool. And I want good shots of this. It's going to be quick. Honeymoon suite. Look at this. It's so cool. The lighting up in there. Mirrors. Big old hot tub with bugs in it. Nice armoire. You got your bed. And then mirrored ceiling. That is so cool. Look at that. All mirrored. Jeez. I better turn this off. It's awful bright. With the curtain shut. Oh, wrong button. I'm looking at something, trying to read this Aquarius thing. Holy shit.
I'll smack you. You know, it's good that you're recording this because murder you on freaking camera.
Oops. Lesson to everybody, watch out for the buttons. Okay, guys. This is going to be a horrible explore to put on video. It's creepy, it's crazy. We had to be ninja. Had to do half of it in the dark. Started hearing noises. This one room was lit. We didn't turn this on, this was lit. The honeymoon suite. But yeah, me and Sean are just about to get out of here. Try to find our way back out. I don't know how the hell this comes out good, guys. But this is why we don't explore at night. I'll talk to you guys later. Wow. Now we're sitting in the honeymoon suite together at the end of an explore, Sean. Yeah, Sean and I are 3 a.m. together in a honeymoon suite, and our wives are both home alone. That's not good, is it? I'm not sure what that says. There's nothing good. I'm telling you, this is one nerve-wracking explore, though. I don't even know if I got him on camera. That was creepy.
That would be cool if you did.
Jeez, this was nuts, though. I mean, it's just so huge. Like you said, you could spend 2 days here. Easy. Come on, dude. And that guy walked by. Told me you didn't go squeak.